Hi guys, so finally the CAT notification out. This is actually a lead notification. This is the news which is going to come in the newspaper. Yeah. So the one that I'm going to show you is basically this is going to come in the newspaper in this week only, and this is being leaked on media as well. So I'm sharing you that file with you. So congratulations, CAT 2021 dates are out. The official dates are out, and the dates are in sync with what I expected. So मैंने पहले उम्मीद किया था dates are exactly same. So how I can guess these dates is because they are every year CAT is happening around the same date. So उसमें कोई बड़ी बात है ही नहीं to guess the CAT का date. Trust me. Okay. So all the IIMs are coming together to conduct the CAT exam. Everything, all the detail remains same. So all 20 IIMs are combined together here. We can see that here. So CAT date. Now, if I look at the date, August 4 is when the registration will start. So probably in another 4 or 5 days we have the registration starting. And by the way, today at 1 o'clock, I'm going to go live with the exact CAT ka news. Okay, so 4th of August, it'll start. Today at 1 o'clock, I'm going to go live with the CAT strategy. And today, 4 p.m., 6 p.m., I'm going to have a demo lecture for the CAT exam, how to plan your study for the quant section. So in case you attend, just WhatsApp any of the number here. You can just WhatsApp any of the number to join our program or to just attend the demo lecture. And this Monday, we are going to launch our new program. Okay. All right, so coming back to the news, so registration will close on September 15th. भाई तुम why to wait that long यार, आप फटाफट टाइम पे भर देना, don't delay that much. August end तक keep a target to fill the form by August 31st. उससे लेट मत करना. Admit card will be available from October to November 28th till the exam date, and exam will be on 28th of November. So wherever you study, उसके सामने बड़ा बड़ा लगा दो 28th of November. The exam will be happening in 3 sessions. Okay, same as last year. The news will be available on site. This PDF is not available on their site because this is a newspaper article. So this is the news which is going to come. So in the newspaper, so there's the format is of the newspaper because the normal notification will be published on the site, which is not yet been done. Okay, we have to wait and watch for that. So this is for all the postgraduate and the fellowship program at IIMS. So those who want to do their PhD also, this is common for everyone. Eligibility criteria, they will upload. Reservation will be as per requirement, all, no change in the reservation. Fine. Registration fees 1100 for the category student, for SC, ST, PWD, and for the open category and OBC, EWS, everybody else 2200. Okay. So once to irrespective number of institute applying for, you have to pay only one fees. I'll explain that once the exact form are out. I'll make the video on that. Exam will be happening at 156 centers. So because this is a 3 sessions exam, so I'm assuming the paper will be a 2 hours ka paper. Okay, so paper will be 2 hours ka paper. So at 1 o'clock now, I'm going to go live for how to plan your studies now. Yes, even if you start today, we can still crack the CAT exam. And today we are going to conduct the demo lecture as well. And from Monday, we are launching our new program in case you want to join. So 4 months of the CAT exam, let's make it happen. We have enough time, trust me. All the best.